Something broke. Numbers. A deadline. The room leans toward a name. Wrong way. Whose fault? The altar opens. Right way starts here. Ownership without a villain. That's the craft. Fix the system, not the face. Arc 5. Clean accountability. Old trap, new skill. Scapegoating wants a face. Clean accountability wants a cause. Separate three things: the person, the process, the outcome. Then ask what repair looks like, not who we destroy. You've lived the wrong version. This is the right meeting. Blame thins, learning thickens. Step 1. Separate person from process. Say the person is not the system. Mistakes can sit in handoffs, incentives, unclear ownership, without turning someone into the problem. Wrong, you're careless. Right, the handoff had no owner. That's where it broke. Ask, am I describing a process or attacking a character? Step 2. Name the outcome without character assassination. Be concrete. What failed, by when, with what impact. No moral theater, no nickname for the weak link. Wrong, typical of them. Right, we missed the Friday commit. Client impact is X. Ask, can I state the miss without a smear? Step 3. Ask for repair, not blood. The room's job is the next correct action. Who fixes what, by when, what changes so it doesn't repeat. Punishment can feel like justice. Repair is the work. Wrong, someone has to pay. Right, what do we change by tomorrow, and who owns it? Ask, do we want a scalp or a fix? Step 4. Protect the lesson so it outlives the meeting. Write one sentence the room can keep. What we learned about the system. If the only memory is a face, the altar won. Wrong, gossip the person after. Right, lesson locked. Every handoff needs a named owner. Ask, will next week remember a person or a process? Skip this craft and the scapegoat returns. The room feels clean. The bug stays. People hide errors. Thinking goes underground. Because honesty looks like volunteering for the altar. That's the cost of dirty accountability. Wrong way. Open with whose fault. Right way. 3 lines for the next failure talk. 1. Separate. Say, let's park the person for a minute. What broke in the process? 2. Outcome. Say, here's the miss, the time, the impact. No story about character. 3. Repair. Say, what do we change by tomorrow and who owns the fix? Do not pile on. Do not joke a name. Do not skip the written lesson. Small script, real room. A failure needs ownership. It does not need a human sacrifice. Your job next time something breaks: separate, name the miss, ask for repair, protect the lesson. Ask, will I fix the system or feed the face hunt? Next, the first honest sentence: how to say the private doubt without burning the room.